Hi, my name is Sophia the Scientist. I'm going to teach you about my craft, Twisty Bird. And I'm going to tell you all about her. And I'm going to tell you her features. This is her tail. These are her two wings. These two things right here are her two wings. This is her collar. This is her body. This is her leg. This is her foot. This is her neck. This is her feather. This is her beak. And this is her tail. And I'm going to tell you what is her name. Her name is Twisty Bird. I made her February 22nd, 2015. And he's 3 years old. He can fly really fast. He's very colorful, and he loves to race with Rocket. This is him. And
Signing.
He's very flexible. He's so flexible that he can fit into the smallest space. But not like under that book. It's way too big. But not under really heavy things. He can't go under really heavy things, but he can go through like things that are still open. Right, he could go through. He could go through this. He could go through that space on my piggy bank. And
that's a great video.
And he could fly, and if you take this bird into the darkest place in the house, he will jump into the air, fly away, and then he will find the brightest thing in the house, hibernate, and he's gonna hibernate there for up to 3 days, and then after 3 days, he's going to come out, and when the light starts to fade away where he's hibernating at the 3rd day, he flies away and looks for the next brightest place in the house. And he is the most flexiblest bird in the world. This is the most flexible bird. And Daddy. And
one last thing, please.
I'm just going to tell you the colors. Yellow, white, black, purple, red, green, and blue.
Awesome.
This signing off for Sophia the Scientist. This video is subscribed. The mystery of and this is actually a model of that bird. But he was around when no other creature was around. Just tell you that. He was around before the dinosaurs. And this is just a model. Bye! Sophia the Scientist signing model of a bird. Bye.